Okay, this is going to be a quick video on how to clean the bobbin and hook area on a Kenmore 158 series sewing machine. This happens to be a free arm. This would also pertain to a flatbed machine. So I'm going to zoom in on this area where the bobbin case and hook are, and I'm going to brighten up the exposure. Okay, that's kind of killing the exposure on the machine, but you can see the hook area, and I'll show you how you do this as quickly as I can. All you're going to need is some kind of a bristle brush just to clean this out. This one's already clean, and a little oiler. Okay, you want to make sure the needle is up, typically about 1/4 of an inch above the foot. We'll get it up out of the way so it's up here, and you can knock everything over. Just go ahead and take out the bobbin case like this. Doesn't matter if you have a bobbin in it or not. You're going to move these little levers off to the side. You're going to grab this pin that the bobbin case rotates on and just pull the whole thing out. That's a retaining ring. That's actually the hook. Okay. Make sure you keep you can move this back and forth. If you want to remove the needle from your machine, go ahead and do that. You won't poke yourself in the finger. And then just take a paper towel or whatever, clean all the lint out of here, brush the lint out as best you can. Some people say don't use air to try to blow it out, because you'll probably just blow the lint all into the back there. And there is a half round gear back there that you want to keep clean. So you're better off just trying to pull it out of the front. Okay, then make sure the needle's back 1/4 inch above the foot if you left the needle in. You've cleaned this piece, the hook. Get this cradle sitting like this, and with the hook point on the right hand side, just set that back in there. And because I'm making a video, I'm gonna fumble it around. Okay, I've got it sitting in there just like that. Then don't forget, take your oiler, put 1 drop of oil right here on this area, because the hook is gonna, we'll put this clamp back in with this point facing down. This is just a retainer. Your bobbin, where the finger on the bobbin goes, you want towards the top, and this little hook towards the bottom. Set that back in there like that. That's going to go in this little slot. You'll be able to tell if it's lined up right. You'll see these little areas here like that. And the reason you put that drop of oil in there is because when this hook goes back and forth, it's you got metal on metal. So if you're not keeping that clean and oiled, that's just going to slow things down and make everything work a little bit harder. And then everybody should know how their bobbin case goes back in. Make sure the needle's up. Click it back in. There. You've just cleaned the hook area. Thanks for watching.